The DuraShine System is the industry's first complete concrete and terrazzo floor care system. In this video, we take you through a full demonstration of the DuraShine System, from cutting the floor, densifying, polishing, buffing, and applying an optional coating. Every concrete floor is unique, therefore variations in procedure are required. Assessing the floor is an important first step in guaranteeing a durable, polished concrete or terrazzo floor. As part of a visual inspection, our demo floor shows obvious surface stains, discoloration, and surface scratches that we will want to address. The initial gloss meter reads 13. The floor hardness is around 6,000 psi, which is considered to be on the hard side of concrete. Impact hammer or scratch test on various parts of the floor are always recommended to assess the hardness. We also know that this floor has a cure and seal coating, but otherwise has never been treated or polished. In this demo, we will be starting with a 30 grit DuraPad hybrid. We are starting here because we have hard concrete. We have to remove the cure and seal, remove surface scratches, and get below the surface stains. A 50 grit DuraPad hybrid is often sufficient enough to cut most concrete floors. We always recommend choosing a higher grit first so that you don't unnecessarily remove too much material. Floors with excessive wear or thick coatings may require the cutting power of the DuraGrinds, but know that the lower the grit, the more meticulous and methodical your approach needs to be to bring the floor to a proper shine. Before we begin cutting the floor, here are a few grinding tips and safety recommendations. The DuraShine machine runs below 90 decibels, so ear protection is not a requirement but a strong recommendation. Protective eyewear is also a strong recommendation because of possible debris. Sturdy work gloves are a necessity, especially when handling the DuraFlex plate. The laser-cut spring steel blades can be very sharp. When grinding with the DuraShine machine, it is always recommended to run at lower RPMs while walking at a slow and steady pace. In this demo, we will be running wet. While the DuraShine diamond tools are all designed to run both wet and dry, diamond tools in lower grits perform better when cooled and lubricated. DuraPad grits of 400 and higher will yield excellent results running either wet or dry. The recommended walking pattern is a straight aisle with a slight swing back track, or what's commonly called dog tracking, before moving on to the next aisle. Cross-hatching is always preferable to even out the scratch pattern and ensure uniformity on the floor's highs and lows. After each grit, using an auto scrubber thoroughly clean the floor of all debris and slurry. We started our grinding sequence at 30 grit and followed with 50, 100, and 200 grit DuraPad hybrids. At this point, we recommend densifying the floor with the Diamond Tough. Application instructions are on the pail. It's important to let Diamond Tough dry thoroughly so as to maximize its performance. Densifying is a key step to ensuring that the finished polished floor is durable and long-lasting. After the densifier, we continue with the grit sequence using the DuraPad 400 and 800 grits. If we're refurbishing a polished floor that was worn, as required, either the DuraPad 400 or 800 grit would be the starting point to return it to a beautiful finish. As we move up the sequence, the slurry becomes clearer and the floor begins to show a shine. The steps you choose from here depend on the quality of look and finish you desire. At this point, you have the option of running the DuraPad 1500 and 3000, but we opted to run the PolyPad Plus to give the shine some extra pop. The DuraShine machine quickly transitions into maintenance mode. Position the machine lying down, remove the last set of tools, and click the DuraLocks into place, and carefully position the DuraLocks into place for the ultimate in a maintenance pad driver. Affix the PolyPad Plus so that it's properly centered. Walk the PolyPad Plus in a similar crosshatch pattern with simple one-way aisles. It's not necessary to dog-track maintenance pads. The floor's gloss deepens as the PolyPad Plus removes any and all remaining residue on the floor, boasting clarity and shine. This step should be repeated from time to time to keep the floor looking its best. No further steps are required after a DuraShine diamond tool finish, but should you choose to use a coating, we highly recommend the DuraCoat for additional protection. DuraCoat was specifically designed for the DuraShine system as an optional final step. It is unique and extremely durable. Unlike most floor protectors or sealers, the DuraCoat has a unique chemistry that allows the repair of scratches in the coating by using PolyPad Plus. After the DuraCoat dries, a quick burnishing pass gives the floor its final pop. In this demonstration, we were able to take the original floor from a 13 gloss meter reading to a 78. well in excess of the often spec'd 45 gloss meter reading. The DuraShine system will exceed your expectations with its flexibility and versatility. The DuraShine system can tackle nearly any job you throw at it and save you time and money in the process. Whether it's polishing, refurbishing, or maintenance, the DuraShine system is truly a cost-effective and complementary system for anyone in floor care.